Alright, episode 5 already. We've got some gallium. Gallium is usually hard, it's a hard metal, but at 38C it starts to melt, so it's very hard right now. Let's see what happens when we put this in the microwave. Alright. Alright, let's go. Here we go. Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Oh, this is way too much. Nothing has happened. Oh. This is fucking insane, boy. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa. Alright, I think I'm gonna kill it. This is more than enough. Alright, so that was the gallium episode. Let's see what happened. Oh shit, it did melt. Check it out, check it out in the cardboard. Wow, that's amazing. Check it out. It's totally liquid. It's safe to touch as well. It looks like mercury, but it's totally safe, non-toxic. Don't need it. Alright, so this was episode 5 or 6, I guess. So don't try this at home. Have a nice evening. See you in the next one.